That song was really like, that's really Georgia's battle cry. That's what my boy Bigger Rankins always telling me, man, that was the battle cry for Georgia. Yeah. We never had that, you know what I mean? Somebody to represent us like that. Yeah. And for me to have that song, man, I'm grateful. It was crazy, man. It just it took off and just had legs of its own, man. I guess people just really appreciated the energy of it, man. It was just totally different from what was really going on. So for us to have some music that brought that kind of energy, man, the bands latched on to it, from high school to college to rec ballparks to the football teams, to, you know, it just went out of control. Yeah. Hell, man, Beyonce just performed it on Coachella, man. So we got that kind of opportunities off of that record, man. 20 years ago, man, you know? So I was like, what? You know what I mean, man? It was actually real dope, man. A lot of the dudes, I don't think they know how to pay homage or give respect without feel like they being slighted or overlooked. You feel me, man? I ain't tripping about you, man. You know you can't with me. Go, go, go.